Hello and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. My name is Dallin Anderson and today I'm going to be talking about why I bought Tezos again. This chart has a lot of really nice setups painting for me currently, and I want to go over my primary and my alternative counts for Tezos and explain why I personally purchased some more yesterday. So make sure that you guys hit that like button as well as subscribing to my channel, because I am dedicated to uploading 5 videos a week all through 2020 to keep you guys posted in the Bitcoin markets. As you can see, I'm pumping out content on the regular. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, links are in the description box below. I have been getting tons of new followers on Twitter, as well as interaction and engagement on here. So make sure that you guys are in this community and following me on here as well. Links for the Discord group are in the description box of every single video, as you can see here. And that Discord group will allow you guys to discuss technicals and go over charts. It's free to get into at the start. And then you can also upgrade into the VIP content as well by direct messaging me or emailing me. So without further ado, let's get straight into my Tezos analysis. Let's see if we can get 150 likes on this video. So make sure that you guys hit that like button for me one more time. Tezos is one of the best setups that I see currently, because there's really only 2 big picture wave counts that I can personally see being logical for Tezos. So let me just go ahead and go over my primary wave count and why I personally purchased some Tezos. And that really has to do with this ABC correction right here. We have a very nice ABC correction in this downward pointing channel. We then break out of that ABC correction and we make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. See, so this is a very first Elliott in the cycle. So there's 5 waves, and then look at this nice little ABC correction. We fall back down. That's very common after a breakout of downtrending resistance, to fall back down to find support. And then we went ahead and saw another impulse. So in my opinion, the impulse that we are seeing right now will be the one of the 3 wave, and we're likely to see continuation in Tezos for this market. This also lines up with this major uptrending support level that we've tested multiple times now, and we are bouncing off of that with strength. So the reason I purchased Tezos yesterday is because we landed right onto this trending support level. And this trending support level is such an important technical level, because if this technical level fails, then this entire wave count will be invalidated. So if this upward pointing support line actually fails, then this current wave count that I'm showing you right now will not be valid. And so that's why it's such a good buy, because it's right at the point of maximum financial pain. There's going to be a lot of people selling right here, a lot of people panicking, and it's right onto that major upward pointing support and that very important technical level. So I do personally think that Tezos will go ahead and make a 3 wave, and that 3 wave will probably take us back up closer to these previous all-time highs. And that is personally why I picked up my Tezos, and why I think Tezos will do a very nice explosive bull run in the future. By the way, there is a term that everybody's throwing around on Twitter called Tezos tell you Bezos. I know some people call it Tezos or Tezos, but either way, you guys, I personally think that that is a funny statement and could easily be possible. Now, the other wave count, what also could happen, you guys, because you want to have plans for all scenarios. If this major technical support level fails on Tezos, or Tezos, whatever you guys prefer calling it, I do think that this will be drawn and should be drawn as a larger ABC. So that would mean that this entire wave right here is an A wave, and this will be a C wave. If that happens, you guys, Tezos or Tezos could be worth like 12 cents, so that would be a pretty brutal failure of this upward pointing cycle. And if that does occur, you guys, then I will be getting out of this market after some type of a breakout. Usually the nice thing about breakdowns of major trend lines like this is if you get a breakdown of the trend line, it usually goes back up to it to retest it. So you can almost always get out on the retest before it goes lower. So you guys, that's just so you're aware of all possible wave counts. This is technically possible for this coin, and that's why I bring it up, because I think that if that technical level fails, I'll obviously be getting out of my position and planning to wait a long time before I would get back in a significant way. But either way, I'm going to play it as I see it right now, and as I see it right now, we still need to complete a 3-wave. This would be the first wave in that 3-wave. So make sure that you guys go check out my Tezos analysis as well on Twitter, because that's where I posted this. I show why you can have such a tight stop loss in a trading plan for that 3-wave. And I also show, what can happen if there's a support failure and why it would create a larger ABC correction. And also I do post a lot of other stuff on here, so you're going to want to make sure that you guys check these areas out. So that's why I'm personally buying Tezos, or Tezos, whatever you guys personally call it. I think it's probably Tezos because of the Tezos tell you Bezos thing. But I really appreciate you guys tuning in to today's update. Make sure that you guys smash that like button for me, as well as share this video with your friends. And I will make sure to keep you guys updated and posted in the markets tomorrow as well. So watch out for tomorrow's video. As always, stay profitable out there.